tip number 181. Never ever run in your house or in the hallway at school. Safety tip number 89. Never hang from a chain on a ceiling fan. Safety tip number 84. Never ride your bike on the road. Safety tip number 199. Never bother your brother.
Safety tip number 150. Never ride your bike without a helmet.
Safety tip number 200. Never throw a ball at someone when you're not looking. Safety tip number 105. Always stay away from fires. Safety tip number 152. Never run away from home. Safety tip number 110. Never swing on a ceiling fan. Safety tip number 102.